The Huawei Watch Ultimate, the company's new flagship that stands at the pinnacle of the premium smartwatch market, has just been released. Although the Huawei Watch 4 was widely anticipated, the company went bigger with premium materials, a sizable screen, and a focus on diving and outdoor activities. Sounds recognizable? Yes, there are quite a few similarities between this and the Apple Watch Ultra. Huawei is using a liquid metal case, which is really pushing the envelope in terms of materials. Because of its strength and lightweight qualities, it has a very Terminator 2 sound and is used in aircraft design. It's no surprise Huawei chose it because it's also used in high-end Swiss watches. The Ultimate is remarkably light for its size, as we have already experienced after wearing it for a few days. Another high-end feature is the ceramic bezel and the titanium-colored metal strap. The Ultimate is available in two shades: Voyage Blue, which we've been using, and Expedition Black, which is a titanium link band. We already switched for a rubber band that you get in the case. You get a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED screen for the display, which according to Huawei, is the largest on a smartwatch. It has a 466 by 466 resolution and a brightness of 1000 nits. The 530 mAh battery inside can reportedly last 14 days on a single charge, though Huawei notes that this is with the fancy features disabled. 8 days of heavy use is what Huawei predicts, which is still very good. Although there are ECGs with data on arterial stiffness, there aren't yet features like wrist payments or a robust app store. The stress, SpO2, heart rate, and sleep tracking are all carried over from previous Huawei watches. With 140 sports profiles, a focus on running, built-in fitness and training programs, the Running Ability Index, and Recovery Insights, all of Huawei's fitness features are available here. But the Watch Ultimate also makes a big deal out of outdoor activities. Here, diving is the main focus, and there are a lot of features to choose from. The Ultimate, in comparison to the Apple Watch Ultra, can dive beyond 100 meters and function for technical dives thanks to its 10 ATM, ISO 22810, and EN 13319 water resistance standards. With information on depth, ascent, decompression, oxygen pressure, ascent curves, hover timers, and more, it undoubtedly rivals the Ultra in terms of statistics. Additionally, expeditions and hiking get some new features. The Expedition mode allows you to add custom markers and go back the way you came if necessary, and the multi-band GPS indicates that it should be more than accurate. The emphasis is on accuracy as a safety feature, but there are no extended battery life stats like Garmin's Expedition modes. If you want to override the default settings, the Ultimate will let you do that because battery modes can be customized. Runtastic, Komoot, and Strava all have third-party integrations available for turn-by-turn navigation. Additionally, the built-in barometer provides altitude information, sunrise-sunset information, and bad weather warnings. The Huawei Watch Ultimate definitely lives up to expectations on paper, boasting a feature set that will make Wear OS and mid-range smartwatch manufacturers envious. It offers Android users a rare opportunity to obtain a powerful, opulent smartwatch that is more ideally suited to sports than the TAG Heuer Montlink Duo and smarter than a Garmin Epix. The cost will be a significant consideration, and it won't be inexpensive. It might compete with devices like the Forerunner 965 or Epix, which both have AMOLED screens and powerful Garmin sports tracking capabilities. That might reduce its appeal and give potential buyers trouble. Stay tuned for our in-depth testing as we are already working on our review. The comment area is waiting for your opinion. Have a nice day, and luck is definitely on your side.